Have you ever been in a conversation where you don't feel the other party is interested because they are not looking at you? Hi, welcome to a Sales Breakthrough with AngelaOh. If you're new to this channel and are keen to find out how to increase your sales, do subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button below, as I'll be sharing with you practical sales tips every week. In my last video, I have touched on using our 5 sense organs to create a good impression and make people like us. I spoke about using our ears. Today, I'm going to share with you the importance of using our eyes to make good eye contact. But what constitutes a good eye contact? Where do we look to ensure that we are looking at the right place to make the other party feel comfortable with us? A lot of people will assume that good eye contact means looking straight into the eyes. But do you feel uncomfortable when you focus totally on the other party's eyes for a straight 1 minute? You can also tell the other party feels uncomfortable after some time. Some people may say, well, look at the forehead then. Well, I have an experience in the past when I was talking to someone from an insurance agency. Although I'm not new to sales then, I felt intimidated throughout the conversation. Later, I discovered that the reason why I felt that way was because he was looking at my forehead the whole time. Since it's not right to look into the eyes or the forehead, what about the chin then? Well, that is a straight no-no because it carries a sexual connotation. Now, let me share with you where is a safe area then to look to build good eye contact. It is the area between the eyes and the nose. So basically, it shows we are paying good attention and interest in the other party. It makes them feel respected. In my next video, I will be touching on using another of our sense organ to create a good impression and to build trust. I love to share my proven sales tips and techniques. So if you have anything regarding sales that you would like to learn, let me know by typing in the comments below. Do subscribe to my channel if you have not done so, as I'll be sharing proven sales tips every week. Remember to turn on your notifications so that you can get the latest updates.